Sagittarius, Dhanurashi. So you guys are really very smart, very intelligent, and you can actually be able to see the possibilities and you take the risk accordingly. So whenever you think, like, you guys actually think 10 steps ahead of what everyone else is thinking, and that's why it's a very difficult task to fool you. But this time we can see as he 5 of cups ka card hai, which shows betrayal or disillusion or disappointment from something, even in the relationship or in the career aspect. So yes, so please don't take it very seriously. Sometimes it happens, and it happens with everybody, so it is fine. What you need to do is you need to let go of your past trauma. This is the time where you have stuck yourself कि बहुत बुरा हो गया, मेरे साथ नहीं होना चाहिए था. You are actually crying over the spilled milk. Just understand this fact that कहीं ना कहीं चीज़ें होती हैं, कोई शेडी पार्ट लोगों की लाइफ में आता है. Here what you need to do is forgiveness. You will need to find the seeds of forgiveness in order to avoid a caused harm. Release yourself from any guilt around the situation. एंड ऑल्सो आई नो कि कहीं कहीं होता है, आप बहुत ज़्यादा केयर करते हैं, आप बहुत ज़्यादा डीपली सोचते हैं फॉर योर लव वंस. इवन यू डोंट एवर टेक देम फॉर ग्रांटेड. यू एक्चुअली एबल टू, एक होता है ना कि यू हैव टू रीड बिटवीन द लाइन्स कि भाई आपको पता है, बट केयरिंग टू मच इज़ द वन थिंग. एंड अ सैजिटेरियस बैटल्स विद ऑल द टाइम. तो दिस इज़ द थिंग जहाँ पे आपको, ठीक है, आप एक डीप थिंकर हो, ठीक है, आप एग्जामिन कर सकते हो सब कुछ. यू want to examine who the other person is and what they're going, but sometimes you are the sign who is brutally honest with everybody. But the thing is sometimes the people on the other side take for granted, क्योंकि आप सबके साथ अपनी चीज़ें लेके नहीं चल सकते. तो ठीक है यार, अभी हो गया है तो just let them go. And here's the card, you need to forgive them for your own sanity. ठीक है, क्वीन ऑफ वॉन्ड्स का कार्ड है, क्वीन ऑफ कप्स का कार्ड है. एंड whatever you are desiring for, just manifest that thing and surrender yourself to the universe. That is how the things will come into your favor. And yes, you guys are wild, independent, fun, friendly and outgoing. So I mean, this is the zodiac sign which we all consider as the wild children of the zodiac. One will always find them with a zest for life and curiosity, that level that is wild. तो दिस इज़ फाइन. बट समटाइम्स क्या होता है ना, बहुत इम्पेशेंट हो जाते हो. अभी जैसे ये वाली चीज़ में हो रहा है कि कहीं ना कहीं रिलेशनशिप में कहीं से कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें नहीं मिली हैं, ठीक है. तो व्हेन यू गाइज इन अ रिलेशनशिप, इट्स अ वेरी अटेंटिव एंड generously plans special things just to make your loved ones happy. So you guys do every small efforts to make your partner happy. But whenever in a relationship, Sagittarians are always ready for a vacation to unknown places and will do their best things to make things interesting. You enjoy the change and adventure also. Sagittarius, whenever they are in love, is very kind and very generous with like of no strings attached attitude, right? You never expect favors in returns because of your selfless kindness. Okay, you are a very very kind soul. You are very innocent and often accept people just how they are. Adventure and diversity are a must of Sagittarius in love, but you are enthusiastic and expressive in showing your affections, and also do your best in the relationship where you can have plenty of space to roam free and explore unknown places, right? But here what you have to do is allow your tender heart to navigate towards the curative heart magic of finding faith in your future. If you are having a hard time letting go, unhook your heart from your fragmented dreams and give yourself permission to envision a brighter future. Okay, and dismantle your grief, reclaim your happiness and consciously step back onto a path filled with hope. एंड यू आर एक्चुअली वेरी लविंग पर्सनैलिटी, ठीक है. तो जिसने भी आपके साथ अभी अभी जो भी बिट्रेल या डिसल्यूजन हुआ है, यू नीड टू फॉरगिव देम एंड यू नीड टू मूव अहेड इन योर लाइफ. पता है, जिनके साथ भी आपके रिलेशनशिप में अभी आपको इतना ज़्यादा दुख मिला है, दे आर ऑल्सो थिंकिंग अबाउट यू, दे आर ऑल्सो मिसिंग यू इन अ वे कि यार इतना अच्छा रिलेशनशिप था, चीज़ें इतनी अच्छी थी, एंड दे आर आस्किंग गॉड टू कम बैक. लाइक दे वॉन्ट टू कम बैक इन योर लाइफ. इट इज़ जस्ट कि एक होता है ना कि अभी बहुत ज़्यादा दोनों तरफ ही चीज़ें उतनी अच्छी नहीं चल रही हैं, तो दे आर नॉट वेरी श्योर. सो दे आर ऑल्सो आस्किंग फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्स दैट प्लीज़ टेल देम और प्लीज़ गाइड इट. तो ठीक है, आप लोग अपना टाइम लो और उस चीज़ के हिसाब से चलो. आपके अंदर जो भी क्रिएटिविटी है या जो भी पैशन है, जिस भी चीज़ के लिए आप मतलब आप देखते हो खुद को, उस चीज़ को बाहर निकालो, बिकॉज यू आर केपेबल एंड फायर्स. इट्स टाइम टू रूट इन टू योर पर्पज एंड बोल्डली स्टेप इन टू द लाइमलाइट ऑफ योर लाइफ. So here you can see even the card Queen of Wands. It radiates creativity and passion. Wherever you go, whenever you enter a room, your charisma and the confidence are palpable. So don't be afraid to be the center of attention, and for the goddess sake, stop acting small in order to make those around you more comfortable. So it's fine if somebody is not feeling comfortable, because if you are taking some actions, you cannot make everybody happy, right? So in order to do that, don't pressurize yourself to just make more comfortable or something like that. Make sure fiery burst of productivity and are accompanied by laughter and gratitude, connection, appreciation and love. It's okay to hold shadow in all this light. Don't push it down. It's like so deeply that you cannot find it again. Okay, accept the parts of you that actually you don't openly share, past failures and that you have held you back. They don't define you. So transmute that shadow, sit with it briefly and then light it on the fire, because you don't need it anymore, right? उतना ज़्यादा अपनी सारी चीज़ों को दिल पे लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड यू गाइज आर रियली अ टाइम बॉम्ब. यू एक्चुअली आर वेरी नाइस एंड डिसेंट, बट when you freak out, it's going to be explosion, and you'll never forget that, and you will do anything and everything and say just about anything nasty. So just avoid that, okay? And understanding the characteristics of the Sagittarius, we actually know कि ऐसा हो जाता है, but it will help you to build better relationships with anybody, right? So ठीक है, एक हद तक उस चीज़ को रखो, एकदम इतना मुँह पे फटने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, because sometimes it's me backfire you, but आप उतना केयर नहीं करते उस चीज़ को लेके, because you are the one who, like, you are the way you are. So even in the friendship sake, you are never the short of friends. Wherever you go, you make friends and you will become friends with everybody and very easily. You do not put lot of efforts in that, because that's the charisma of yours, I can say. So it's like अभी के लिए यहीं पे एंड करते हैं. बस एक चीज़ याद रखना, आगे बढ़ने से पहले डोंट मूव फॉरवर्ड विदाउट फॉरगिविंग पीपल, क्योंकि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, जो कि साफ साफ दिख रहा है, क्योंकि वो कहीं ना कहीं आपके एक होता है ना मन में, इन द बॉटम ऑफ योर हार्ट वो रह जाएगा. सो प्लीज़ स्टॉप डूइंग दैट. एंड ऑल्सो इफ़ यू लाइक माई रीडिंग, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll answer each and every question of yours. Thank you.